Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your PS3 controller as a PC controller for your PC games. The first thing you're going to do is download the two files I have in the About section of my video. So click on those two download links. The links should be called MotionJoy and Better DS3 and download the two files. The two files you should have downloaded are called MotionJoy and Better DS3. After you downloaded the two files, all you have to do next is, if you have MotionJoy already installed on your computer, uninstall it. So I already have MotionJoy installed on my computer. I'm going to uninstall it. And if you don't have MotionJoy installed on your computer, don't worry about it. And so once you have MotionJoy uninstalled, and that's if you had it installed before, you're going to open up MotionJoy, the file you just downloaded. So open up MotionJoy 71001 and open that up. Now you need to have WinRAR to open up zip files. So if you don't have WinRAR installed on your computer, I have a download link in the About section of my video, and just click on that link to install WinRAR. So after you open up MotionJoy 71001, you're gonna click on MotionJoy 71001.exe. So basically we're gonna install MotionJoy. So we're gonna install MotionJoy right now. Click yes and then click next and install it wherever you want. And we're gonna create a desktop icon, and just so make sure you have the desktop icon box checked. Click next, click install. And we're not going to run the DS3 tool yet, so uncheck this box and then click finish. And then your internet browser will open up. Close that and then close this window. And you should see on your desktop the DS3 tool shortcut up here. So right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. The next thing you're going to do is make sure that the Xbox 360 controller emulator circle is checked. So check this circle. And then you're going to go to Driver Manager up here. And now you're going to connect your PS3 controller to your computer using a USB cable. So connect it. After you connect it, you should see this appear. Check on this box and then click on Load Driver. This should take a few seconds. After this is done, you should see on the bottom here, Load Driver for port whatever completed. Now you go back to your profiles and then recheck this circle right here, X input default Xbox 3 controller. So check this circle, Xbox 360 controller emulator, and you're going to click on enable. And now you can close this window. So close MotionJoy gamepad tool window, close it. We're no longer going to use MotionJoy, so you can delete this shortcut. Now you're going to go to the second file you downloaded. It should be called Better DS3. Open that up. Select betterds3.exe and extract it to your desktop. Once you extracted it to your desktop, it should look like this. Open it up. Make sure your PS3 controller is still plugged in. And then you should see under Connected DS3 Controllers, DualShock 3, and in parentheses, USB. After you see this, go over here, go to New, and click on X Input. And you should see this window appear, DS3 Profile. You can name this profile whatever you want. I'm going to call it X Emulator. But name it whatever you want. Make sure you remember the name. And you're going to go here, and it says Autofill, and click on Xbox 360. As you see, every equivalent PS3 button is being mapped onto its equivalent Xbox 360 controller button. So the triangle becomes the Y button, the circle becomes the B button, and etc. The reason why we want to emulate the Xbox 360 controller is because most PC games support Xbox 360 controllers. So yeah, after you autofilled Xbox 360 buttons onto the PS3, go down here and click on Save Profile. After you do that, go to Select Profile and go to the profile you just made, and I called it X Emulator, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on Apply. So after you clicked Apply, your controller should now work, and so you can open up a game now and use your PS3 controller to play it. Now, after you're done playing the game and you close Better DS3 window and you wanna use your PS3 controller again, you're gonna have to open up Better DS3 again, and then you're gonna go to Selected Profile and select the profile you made and click Apply. So every time you want to use your PS3 controller to play PC games, you're gonna have to open up Better DS3 and do that. But after you do that, keep Better DS3 open and open up your PC game and play it, and it should work, and you're all set now. The reason why we're not using MotionJoy is because MotionJoy is a very unsafe software to use because it connects to an external server, and that external server can secretly send you anything it wants without you knowing. So it can send you viruses and such without you knowing, and that's very unsafe. So we're using a different tool called Better DS3. Now Better DS3 uses MotionJoy's drivers to work, so we have to have MotionJoy installed on your computer for Better DS3 to work. But Better DS3 does not access the internet, and it does not use any external servers when you open it. So it's a much safer tool than MotionJoy. Alright, so that's basically how you use your PS3 controller as a PC controller on your computer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.